Ukraine's prime minister says Nestle CEO showed no understanding after he urged the firm to cease all business in Russia. So this is actually the flip side of it. Now, we've been talking a lot about companies that had been agreeing to leave Russia and suspend their operations. Huge growing list. One thing that hasn't been talked about is companies that have been unwilling to do that.
Right.
And that they do exist as well. Now, Nestle has a limited non-essential items from making it to Russia. And they have said, look, the items that are going there are for the survival of the people. They're saying it's like just important goods and things like this. But of course, Ukraine wants them to do more and is having these conversations and urging Nestle. Nestle's enormous. It doesn't even do justice to say enormous. Massive company. If you're in the grocery store, man, let me tell you, Nestle. You would be amazed the number of sub brands underneath Nestle. And so anyway, they want them to, inflict more pain
punish
in Russia. Like, and I'm not talking the type of pain of that we just showed, but a different type through sanctions and just making life a little bit more miserable. That's the pitch. That's the whole sanction pitch. And so at this point, it appears that Nestle's not ready to go complete with it. Instead, they're claiming that whatever they're still sending there is providing products that Russians need for their very own survival. Will this be this way forever? Will this go on forever? It's obviously hard to say. It depends on the amount of pressure being applied to the company.